This video will show you how to restore all features on your X10 to their factory settings and delete all previous Bluetooth pairings from memory. Before the X10 can be used again, a new pairing will need to be created. First, place both earpieces in the case. Next, remove the right earpiece. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds to power it off. Then press and hold the button for 5 seconds again until the light flashes white and blue. This will put it into pairing mode. Once the right earpiece is in pairing mode, press the button 6 times rapidly to reset the earpiece. A white light will come on indicating that it was reset. Put the right earpiece back in the case. Take the left earpiece out of the case. Press the button on the left earpiece 6 times rapidly to reset the earpiece. A white light will come on indicating that it was reset. Put the left earpiece back in the case. Take both earpieces out of the case and now you can pair a new device. If you have any other questions, you can watch our X10 setup guide video or reach out to us at support@meeaudio.com and we'd be happy to get those answered for you.